Hey, who doesn't love a crazy deal? I'm talking crazy here. Just picked this up on Amazon for under 10 bucks. Under 10 bucks. And guess what? Next day delivery. I didn't have to wait 2-3 weeks, a month. Next freaking day. Unbelievable. Brand new in the wrap, test leads. Oh yeah, fresh off the presses. And look at that. Not only do you get test leads, you get 2 alligator clips. 2 of them. It's crazy. Let's take a look at this. Man, I mean, deals like this come and go, but you know what? I couldn't resist. Not like I need more freaking test leads. No, I got tons, as you can imagine, but I just couldn't pass this deal by. Oh yeah, look at the tip on that. Look at the tips. Oh man, these things are amazing. Gold tipped, sharp as can be. And you know what? Nice and big, you know, like a nice big chunky, almost like a chopstick, isn't it? Now these have a 20 amp rating, 1000 volts max. So take that, you know, with a grain of salt. Cat 3, CE is the labeling. Yeah, you know, CE, we know what that means. But end of day, I didn't have to wait a month. No, I got darn good looking test leads here. I'm gonna put this up against a ProMaster quickly, just do a quick continuity test and, you know, just see how good these are. But wow, shipped next day, man. Whoa, unbelievable. All right, bringing Klein to the table here. Not the greatest continuity. I mean, it's fast enough, but I thought it'd be a good reference for the test lead. So here's ProMasters, first of all. Fast, yeah, latched, pretty loud. Let's try these new cheapos. By the way, check out the shroud on that. Nice and long. Oh, looking good. Alrighty, here we are. Cheapo, $10 Canadian, about 8 bucks US test leads. Here we go. Oh yeah, fast, latched, and loud. And man, these things are pointy. Whoa! Sharper than those ProMasters, just by a notch, mind you. But great for getting into those, you know, tight places, tight spaces. Let's face it, some of these circuit boards you're looking at these days, you got a minimal area to work on. So nice, long, pointy probes. So ProMasters on the right, about 50 bucks Canadian for these. 10 bucks. Next day shipping, tax in. Wow. Wow. Let's not forget you get these awesome Crocodile tips as well. And I'm getting 2 sets here. 2 sets. Always come in handy. Great for whatever, you know, on the bench. I mean, you just can never have too many damn crocodiles on your test bench. And this comes with 2 sets. 2 sets. And the test leads, 10 bucks Canadian. Amazon next day. Oh man, times are good. So compared to your sort of dime a dozen test lead you'll see on the market today, these probes, just, you know, really good value, really good value. Hey, these cheapo test leads are sold under the Finoco test brand name, but you know what, they're generic, so let's face it, it could be pretty well any name. But yeah, they are definitely worth the money. Finoco test leads El Cheapo gets a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, what can I say? This is one super duper value in the test lead world. Thanks for watching this review, everybody. To the next one, keep on testing.